A great way to train your legs is using hip hinging exercises. These exercises tend to have a high focus on the posterior chain muscles like the hamstrings, glutes and lower back. The hip hinge can be difficult to learn to begin with, so here is a guide on how to hinge correctly without your spine crying. First off, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slightly bend your knees. Next, you want to start hinging at your hips by pushing your glutes backwards without bending your knees. Yes, it quite essentially is a scientific term for pushing your ass out. Once you've pushed back far enough that you get a deep hamstring stretch, hold for half a second and then pull the hips back in. Remember that this movement only comes from the hips, so try not to involve your arms. My favourite tip to make this easier to learn would be standing 1 foot lengths away from a wall and practicing hinging. If you're doing it correct, you should feel your glutes touch the wall. Your back should also stay straight when hinging. To test this, place a pole or a stick on your back, and as you hinge, your hands should stay in contact with your back. Once you're confident, try adding in some exercises that use this movement pattern. My favourites are the Romanian deadlift or the good morning.